Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exams, or complete course. Here is project description. You can see here project description to get idea about your project. You can see Exp22 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Here is project description. Now moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is that about Excel workbook. You can download your Excel workbook from IT Lab dashboard. Start Excel. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from IT Lab dashboard. You can see here my Excel workbook. Okay, this is my Excel workbook. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. Okay, step number 2. Basically in this step we will have to freeze the first row and we will freeze the pane. Click on first row on the fleet information worksheet. Go to the view tab, go to the freeze pane, and okay, it will be freezing. Okay, step number 2 is completed. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that convert the data to the table name, the table inventory, and apply the gold table style medium 90. Basically in this step we will have to create table, select data and convert it into table. Go to insert, click on table, and it will be created. Table will be created. And change the name of table inventory. Okay, inventory, and apply gold style medium 19. Go to the table name, go to style and gold style medium 19 and gold style medium 19. Okay, it will be applying. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 4 is that remove duplicates records. Okay, basically in this step we will have to remove the duplicates record. Go to the duplicates record and okay, 3 duplicate value will remove. Okay, you can see here I have done 4 steps of this assignment. 4 step is completed. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that sort the table by make an alphabet order. Add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest, and third level to by sort sticker price. Go to the Excel workbook. First we will go to sort and filters. First level is that make is an alphabet order, and second level to sort by smallest to largest. Go to Excel workbook. Second level, add here smallest to largest, and at the third level to by sticker price smallest to largest. Smallest to okay, it will be sorted. Table will be sorted. Now I have done 5 steps of this assignment. 5 step is completed. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 says that repeat the field name on all pages. Basically we will have to repeat the field name on all pages. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the Excel workbook now. Repeat the field name on all pages. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the view tab, page layout, sheet, row to repeat at top. Select first row. Okay, it will be repeat the field name on all pages. Okay, I have done 6 steps of this assignment. 6 steps is completed. Now moving on to step number 7. Step number 7 is that change page break, so each vehicle make it printed on a separate page. Basically in this step we will have to change the page breakage for each vehicles that printed on a separate page. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. First we select each vehicle. First we select page break view and we will select each vehicle. Each vehicle, each different vehicle. Civic, okay, Prius, different vehicles. You can select different vehicle for page breakage. Okay. Okay. Previous. No page layout. Page. Insert a page break. Okay. It will be no change all page break. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 8. Step number 8 is that add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code on the center, and the file name code on the right. Okay. Basically in this step we will have to change a footer. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the margin, custom margin, go to the header footer, custom footer. Okay, file name on the right side. Okay, footer will be added. Okay, 8th step is completed. Now I have done 8th step. Now moving on to step number 9. Step number 9 is that click on navigate to the sale information worksheet and convert to the data as table. Name the table as sales. Go to the Excel workbook, sales information sheet. Go to the sale information worksheet. First we select the data, all data. We have to select data, then the convert data into table, insert, go to the table and we will okay, then insert the table data into table, converted data into table. Now the name of table is sales. We will go to change the name of table is table 3 to sales. Okay, apply the green table style dark lemon. We will change the table color, go to the table design, green style dark lemon. Okay, it will be applied. Okay, apply the green table dark. I already apply and you can see here again I am doing start this again. Okay, I have done 9 step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that type percentage of sticker in cell E1. Now to the cell E1 and type percentage sticker. Okay, I have done 10 step of this assignment. You can see I have done 10 steps. Now moving on to step number 11. Step number 11 is that create a formula with structured reference to calculate the percentage of sticker price in column B. Basically in this step we will create a formula and cell and sticker price in column B. Go to the column B, you do is equal to sale price divided by sticker price. Okay, it will be fine. It will be, you can see. Okay, step number 11 is done now. Now moving on to step number 12. Moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that format the range E2 E30 with person style number format. Okay, basically in this step we will change the, we will apply the person style on this data is column person style apply. Okay, it will be applying on person style. Okay, I have done 12 step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 13. Step number 13 is that Add a total, display the average percentage of sticker and sum of sticker price and sale price. Basically in this step we will have to add a total row to display the average prices. Go to Excel workbook, go to table design, total row, go to average of sticker price and sum of sticker price, average of, and sum of sale price. Okay, it will be show, you can see here, it will be fine. I done this step now, step is completed now, step number 13 is complete now. Now moving on step number 14. Step number 14 is that auto fit with the column of column B to E to show the total values. Okay, first we select column and go to auto fit column. I have done 14 step of this assignment. No, moving on step number 15. Step number 15 is select the range E2 to E30 plus solid fill blue data bars condition formatting the percentage of sticker data. Basically in this step we will select the first range and then apply solid fill blue data bars condition of formatting. Basically in this step we will have to apply the condition of formatting. Go to the Excel workbook, we will select these ranges. Okay, then go to the no. As applies, we will apply condition of formatting. Plus solid fill blue data bars, go to the Excel workbook, go to condition of formatting, data bars, blue data bars. Okay, I have done 15 step of this assignment. Total step of this assignment is 20 and I have done 15 step of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.